Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Apologies, I took an extended leave from YouTube. It wasn't intentional to be so long, but I really appreciate you sticking around and all the new subscribers. It's fantastic that so many of you would like to learn a little bit of Gaelic. So I thought I would just do a quick video to get myself back into the swing of things. I am hoping to do a lot more videos, and I thought I would do these seasons of the year. For spring, it's t-earrach, t-earrach, t-earrach. And for this spring, it's cherr-och, cherr-och. In cherr-och. Summer, S-Ow-rahgh, S-Ow-rahgh, S-Ow-rahgh. And for this summer, S-Ow-rahgh, S-Ow-rahgh, S-Ow-rahgh. Autumn or fall for the Americans, it's foghar, foghar, foghar. And for the autumn, foghar, foghar, foghar. And last but certainly not least, winter, gyow-rahgh, gyow-rahgh, gyow-rahgh. And the winter, gyow-rahgh, gyow-rahgh, gyow-rahgh. So hopefully that's a nice, quick and easy video to start off with. I have intentions of making a couple of videos a week, so if you do have any suggestions for some nice bite-sized content, please do let me know below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!